In this video, I will show you how to use the snipping tool. The snipping tool is a Microsoft Windows screen capture program. It can be used to capture images from the screen or capture the entire screen. I like to use the snipping tool to provide students with a visual representation of the course content. To access the snipping tool, you want to type snipping tool in the box that appears in the far left bottom of the screen. You can see that the snipping tool already appeared for me because I use that tool on a regular basis. You want to click Snipping Tool, click New, and then you want to place a box around the area that you would like to capture. Next, you want to click File, Save As, determine a file name, and save as a PNG or a JPEG. That will enable you to embed the image in a Word document. So I'm going to close this. And you can also use the Snip and Sketch feature. You can type Snip and Sketch here. You can click Snip and Sketch, or you can click Snipping Tool, and it says Try Snip and Sketch. You can click that. And the Snip and Sketch feature allows you to annotate directly on the image. You want to click New, and then you can place a box around the area that you would like to capture. You can highlight, draw, you can circle any area of the image. So, for example, maybe I want to highlight zoom, and then I want to point to it so that the student that emailed me knows that Zoom is located, or the Zoom link is located on the column on the left-hand side of Canvas, and they will easily be able to access it. Mac computers contain an alternate snipping tool. I will include a website below that walks you through how to access and use the snipping tool for Mac computers. So then you just want to save this, and you want to make sure you save it as either a PNG or a JPEG. Overall, the snipping tool is a very effective screen capturing tool that provides a visual representation of a web page or an image. That will enable you to guide students through accessing course content, and hopefully it will reduce confusion and anxiety.